Hi, this is Cassandra Ugarte, and this is my culture bag presentation. So first off, for ethnicity, I come from Chicana. I am Chicana American. As for my paternal side, I have grandparents who have been born in Mexico, but then they immigrated here to the United States. While on my maternal side, I have mostly just people who have lived here in America all their lives. And as an artifact to represent this, I used a wooden doll of a folk dancer in Mexico. And it's a gift that's been presented by my grandparents. And it's just a really key aspect that I like to keep within my life. And then next is for food. Within my household, we eat a lot of variety of mix with American cuisine and also Mexican cuisine. And one of the main foods that we eat occasionally from time to time that I really enjoy is enchiladas. And this is a picture of the main sauce that we use within my house, as I've learned to help make enchiladas within my family with my mom. And then for language, within our house, the main language we all speak is English, as we weren't really raised up and learned a lot about Spanish. Mostly we spoke English between one another. And for my artifact, I used one of the first chapter books I've read as a child that really played a key part in all the books that I read today and how I have a major love for reading. And for tradition, a main tradition that has been passed down throughout several few generations in my family is games. Whenever we have dinners coming together or have a lot of holidays coming up, we would all come together and we'd mostly play a lot of variety of games. We play board games, dice games, card games, and one of the main ones that we all enjoy and tell stories as we're playing is Uno in itself. We have a lot of new Uno sets and a variety of Uno sets, and sometimes we have very old ones that are all brittle and falling apart. And then finally, for music, within our household, there's a lot of variety of music we listen to, such as old songs from the 80s and a lot of recent hits, but main genre of music that we all really enjoy is music that has a lot of meaning and significance and different messages that they tell, but also have a really unique sound. And one of the main bands most recently that me and my siblings all enjoy listening to is called AJR. And that is it for my culture bag presentation.